guys, it's Mr. Thompson, and today we are going to be talking about quadratic functions. In particular, we're just going to spend a few minutes talking about labeling the different parts of a quadratic function. So you guys have all played Angry Birds before, and you know that when you throw something like a football or you kick a soccer ball in the air, gravity will always pull it back down. On that shape of that curve that you see is what we call a parabola. A parabola is what you get when you graph something that we call a quadratic function, which is a function that has an x squared term in it. In this lesson, I just want to focus on how to label the graph. Alright, so here if we look at a picture of Chuck the Angry Bird getting shot up into the air, you'll notice the purple line symbolizing the parabolic curve that he makes. Okay, so we call that a parabola, and in particular we'd say that parabola is opening down. Because it is opening down, you'll notice that there's a maximum point. Maximum point just meaning at the top of the hill there. That highest point is something that we call a vertex. Another interesting point about the vertex is not only just the highest point or the lowest point in a graph, is that the axis of symmetry will go through them. Means, what is the line that if we folded that graph in half, we would get the same picture on both sides. The y-intercept is going to be where that parabolic curve crosses that y-axis, and your x-intercept is going to occur when the parabolic curve crosses the x-axis. Find out! So now that you guys know how to label some of the basic, I want you to go through and label your vertex, axes of symmetry, x-intercept, y-intercept, domain, and your range.